Sanibonani phakathi waseThembisa okhulumayo uRefilwe wakwaMudise uhlala eHospital View. I-owner ye-Rebuiora Divine Services #Kofifi. I run a business that sells food, but for the love of the community and the love of everybody else around me, there's an initiative engayiqala a couple of years ago eyokuthi umuntu makaneimpahla or anything ehleli endlini engasasebenzi. I've used my home with approval kagogo endlini ukuthi kube i-drop off center whereby people drop off whatever ebanayo, and then once we've got it in bulk bese siyayithumela ke la idingeka khona. Okay, where it started is, I think initially I had the love for clothes. So ngumuntu ukuthi mangihamba ngiyathenga sometimes sokuthi uthengile zincane awuzigcokanga, sometimes abantwana endlini impahla basazigcoki izihleli. So instead of throwing them away, then we started giving them out. Saqala sebenza ne-home iBulamatlo edifateng, and then sike celebrate one of the birthdays with them. It wasn't clothes, but it was food and giving back in any other form of donation that businesses had. Leyo yakhula because we had the support from other construction companies even outside of Tembisa. So initiative kahle kahle eimpahla, it's I think ukuzuswa ubhlungu mawubona indawo zabantu zisha, especially with the lot of informal settlements that we have around us. So once we've got a drop off zone efana nelena, impahla mazifika, isimo masivela sikhona ukuthi sifone sithintane nabantu abasebenza ngalezo zinto, and then bakhona ukuthi bazithathe bazideliver la zidingeka khona. Ngithanda ukubonga iThembisa Online neThembisen abakhona ukuthi bafike namhlanje bazo witnessa izinto esinazo and bakhona ukuthi bazithathe zizosuka ziye home siyabathanda esisiziba, and then if there's anything else esiziba angeke bayisebenzise, then obviously it will be moved to any other places where it will be found useful. And then sithanda ukubonga to everybody that always cleans out ama wardrobe wabo, especially at the end of every winter and every summer. What we accept is any form of clothing as long as it's still in a usable state. Ukuthi omunye umuntu angayigcoka noma kuyimpahla or ingubo nezicathulo, and we askhethi any gender, any age, everything is welcome. To anybody out there that is willing to donate in any form, say 696 Ruth First Street, Hospital View, eThembisa. Singase duzane na say you save. Ama phone number wethu it's 083 393 1282, and you can either send us a message ku WhatsApp or SMS or even give us a call. If zingakhona ukufika kithi, we make the means of fetching them from you. Sithanda ukubonga wonke umuntu obe nesandla esifakile kuzo zonke izinto esinazo. Siyabonga.
Sanibonani mphakathi waseThembisa nonke. Okhuluma la igama lakhe uMabel Nomsa wakwaNdlovu, i-CEO yasesiyabathanda Children Home, situated e71 esiziba, kodwa okwamanje sithole enye branch house e114 Morogoro Street, Umthambeka section. Lapha nathi njoba nibona la emva kwethu sithole i-donation enhle kakhulu from kusisififi waseView. Ngithanda ukubonga kuwe sisififi kakhulu ukuthi ungalahli, ungagcini kithi kuphela, wenzele bonke abantu abaswele abafana nathi abazama ukukhulisa, sizama ukunciphisa izinga lenhlupheko kule mhlaba esiphila kuwo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kubo bonke abafike kuwe sisififi badonator, nothando lwakho obenalo waxhumana nomfanelo ukuthi bakhona ukulethela abantwana yonke lempahla eniyibona la emva kwami. Siyabonga kakhulu thina siyabantu basesiyabathanda Children Home. Thank you very much. Ngizothanda ukueda kulaba abanye abathandayo ukuthi baxhumane nathi ngoxhaso, because sinama challenges especially kubantwana basevasithi bashoda ngama funds since NSFAS nazi nonke ukuthi ihlulekile ukuthi ifande abantwana, and abanye abantwana bashoda ngezipace, nginama matriculant ahleli anama gap year because abathola ngezipace ema university abatholanga ifunding ama-bursaries awekho sikokote yonke indawo kodwa ama-bursaries athiwatholi singajabula kakhulu if ever kungaba nendledlana yokuthi sixhaswe financially ukuthi abantwana baqhubeke khona nje oswele imali yokwenza i-honors just 1 year honors bese uphesuywa i-dream yakhe as a psychologist singajabula kakhulu if ningasixhasa inamba yami ofuna ukungixhasa is 074 991 3211 ngizoyiphinda futhi 074 991 3211 siyabonga